First up, viewers, we have some big breaking news coming in. Suspected cadre of the Kuki National Army Burma was nabbed from Chandel district by Assam Rifles and handed over to Manipur police. He has been identified as a resident of Myanmar. It has also been learned from intel sources that he was doing a recce of the jungle track from More to Churachandpur. Now, he was carrying out this recce, viewers, reportedly to supply arms. Remember, this is the first concrete evidence of KNA Burma's involvement in the Manipur violence, as for the first time some individual has been nabbed. Now, this suspect has been identified as a resident of Myanmar. He has been carrying out recces in the jungle, identifying the safest routes to supply arms and ammunition to insurgents. Now, this is the first time that a concrete evidence has surfaced as far as the arms supply is concerned in Manipur. And now this person that you see on your screens is the suspect who is involved in arming the insurgents. In fact, my colleague Aniruddha was on ground zero. He brings